Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to use MobaXterm to securely connect to an EC2 instance, and we are also going to use a PowerShell. So without further ado, let's begin. I've already created EC2 instance. It's very simple. We can create another one. So you click on launch instance and give your instance a name. I'll call it demo 2, and we will leave everything as default. We are going to pick up Ubuntu. Okay, we are going to pick up select Ubuntu and free tier keeper. I'm going to select the keeper. I'm going to pick up this picker a keeper that I've already created for the security group. We are going to allow SSH and then a SSH and HTTP. So, and then click launch. So this will take a couple minutes while that is creating. You can go to your browser and type MobaXterm, and you select the first one and you click download at the top here, and you select download, and then here you select installer edition. You click it and it will download the file for you, and you just follow the step to install the mobile. So once you install it, you open it. And it will look like this, and then we are going to select. It will look like this, yeah, like this, and you are going to click on new session down here, and then click SSH. Here we are going to add the server name or the IP address, but in this case we are going to use the IP address. So I'll go to the EC2 instance that we just created. So I'm going to my EC2 instance, and this is the instance that we just created. I'll select it and click on connect to make it easy. So, and here you select SSH client, and to connect to your yeah, you select the SSH client, but for this case we only need the IP address. So you select the IP address from here, you go down here and you paste it, and the user name is Ubuntu by default. And how do you know? You go here and click on connect again, and here it's down here, so you can tell it's Ubuntu. That's the default name. So once you select that, you click on add advanced set SSH setting, and you click on use keeper, and you browse to the location where your keeper is. So my keeper is in my download directory, so I'll select my keeper and click OK. So everything looks good. We have the IP address down here, we have the username here, and we have the keeper. So just click OK. And it is your first time to connect to this server, say yes. So here you go. So now we just connected to the EC2 instance. If you check the IP address, this one is, and it's 172.31.22.14. If you go to your instance here, And here you go, it's sent. So that maybe we connect to our instance. Basically, yeah, this is how you SSH into EC2 instance using a mobile. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you.